Adapting Agriculture to Changing Climate Patterns. Title: Adapting Agriculture to Changing Climate Patterns. Introduction. As the Earth's climate continues to evolve, one of the most pressing challenges humanity faces is the need to adapt our agricultural practices to these changing conditions. The global food system depends heavily on stable climatic patterns, making it vulnerable to the impacts of climate change. Impact of climate change on agriculture. These changes directly affect crop growth, livestock health, and overall agricultural productivity. Increasing temperatures can lead to decreased crop yields, as many crops have specific temperature requirements for optimum growth. Extreme heat events can also result in heat stress for livestock, affecting their productivity and health. Changes in precipitation patterns, such as prolonged drought or increased rainfall in certain regions, can lead to soil degradation, water scarcity, and reduced crop quality. Furthermore, the shifting timing and intensity of rainfall can disrupt planting and harvesting schedules, making it difficult for farmers to plan their agricultural activities effectively. Rising sea levels and saltwater intrusion in coastal areas can also threaten valuable agricultural lands, particularly in low-lying coastal regions. Adapting agricultural practices. To tackle the challenges posed by changing climate patterns, agricultural systems need to be resilient, sustainable, and adaptable. Here are some strategies that can help in adapting agriculture to these changes. 1. Crop diversification. Encouraging farmers to diversify their crop choices can minimize the vulnerability of agriculture to climate change. By planting a wider variety of crops, farmers can mitigate the risks associated with changing climatic conditions. Diversification promotes resilience, as certain crops may be better suited to withstand specific climate variations. 2. Improved water management. As water availability becomes less predictable, developing efficient irrigation systems and water management practices is crucial. Techniques like drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting can help conserve water, reduce evaporation, and make the most of available resources. Investing in water storage infrastructure, such as dams and reservoirs, can also provide reliable access to water during dry periods. 3. Conservation agriculture. Implementing conservation farming practices can help mitigate soil degradation and erosion caused by extreme weather events. Techniques like minimum tillage, cover cropping, and crop rotation promote soil health, improve water retention, and reduce the risk of nutrient loss. These practices also contribute to carbon sequestration, helping to mitigate greenhouse gas emissions. 4. Agroforestry. Integrating trees into agricultural landscapes through agroforestry systems offers multiple benefits. Trees provide shade, reduce water evaporation, and improve soil fertility. They also sequester carbon, enhance biodiversity, and provide opportunities for diversification by incorporating fruit and timber crops alongside agricultural production. Agroforestry systems promote sustainability and resilience by creating more balanced ecosystems. 5. These tools enable better monitoring of crop health, soil conditions, and weather patterns, empowering farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. 6. Climate-smart crop breeding. Developing climate-smart crop varieties through traditional breeding techniques or genetic modification can enhance the resilience of agriculture. These crops are specifically bred to withstand various climatic stresses such as heat, drought, pests, and diseases. Emphasizing crop genetic diversity ensures better agricultural adaptation in the face of changing climate patterns. Title: Adapting agriculture to changing climate patterns. Introduction. As the Earth's climate continues to evolve, one of the most pressing challenges humanity faces is the need to adapt our agricultural practices to these changing conditions. The global food system depends heavily on stable climatic patterns, making it vulnerable to the impacts of climate change. Impact of